so many tears. You've been there for me, I've been there for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a crochet goddess braid, you all, so if you want to see how I do it, you all, stick around to see how I do this, you all. This is my braiding pattern, and as you can see, I went in and left out my baby hairs. No grandma here, they're struggling, just growing back, you all. This is my braiding pattern for the back, you all. I part the first row, I plaited in 3, then I part the second row, parted in 4, and joined the ends of the first plaits to the 4 plaits in the second row, and then I just braid it right back. So that's how I did it. These are the 14-inch Goddess box braid, and I have 8 packs, you all, and they are from Amazon. The pack contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 crochet braids. And this is how the hair is looking, you all. By now, you all should know how to crochet. You push the latch hook through the hair, you open it, put the braid through it, and pull it through. And then you just go in with the opening of the braid and pull the bottom through. And this is easy to do because I have the individual braids at the back, so you have just 1 or 2 or 3 plaits to push the latch hook through. And this is how I'll be doing the entire hair, you all, so no need to repeat and sound like a broken record.
This through something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. 'Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect, pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect, pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more to
Now I'll go in with the Style Factor Edge Booster and have related to these baby hairs, guys, and these are baby hairs, no grandma hair, you all.
Guess it's been a minute, so let's get.
Now I'll add a little mousse to the hair, you all, just to get rid of the flyaways and make sure everything is nice and neat.
And you told me to move on. I know I won't last long, 'cause baby I need you. I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong.
With this braiding pattern, you can style the hair in various ways, you all. You can have it in a high ponytail because of the back of the hair is in individual plaits, so this gives you a nice natural look. You can also go ahead and do a little side part if that's so you want to wear the hair let out, and you can also do the middle part. So it's very versatile and it is nice and comfy. If this is something, guys, you can't do the grip braid to do, you can also practice with this crochet method and see you have a nice ponytail with a little leave out, and it does look like natural braiding hair, not like a crochet hair. If you're interested in these crochet braids, guys, the link is in the description. You can go and check it out. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys.
Gotta say